Hi guys, this is Mr. T and you are watching Mr. Tranquilo's channel. Today I am in Poreč in Croatia. I'm not from here, but I will visit Old Town Poreč. I will walk a little bit. It's not a very big place, it's a small peninsula, and of course it's on the coastline. And let's walk together. This is the town hall of Poreč. It's in the coastline. There are some boats and some tour boats. The other side, the coastline goes like this, and here's a bank, Zagreb Bank. Here I am after a short walk. I'm in a square right now. It's very close to the old town. I'm still on the coastline walking. Well, now I'm here in front of the round tower. They call it Okretni Taranj. This is a 15th century Venetian tower, one of the iconic architecture in Poreč, and it was one of the examples of Venetian military architecture. It's in the old town. See? Oh, look at these, a lot of birds. Still fall colors on trees, and now I'm going to walk the Pentagonal Tower from here. Here I am in front of the Pentagonal Tower. Yeah, it's in Old Town. This is also another tower in Poreč. This tower is also one of the examples of the Venetian architecture from Venetian time, and it's built for protecting the town from the potential attacks. Just walking under the rain. It's raining, but I can say that it's not a heavy rain, so it's not that difficult to walk. I'm just walking without any umbrella. Well, here's a statue of rain. What a day. I visit this statue in a rainy day. This statue is created by Perusko Bogdanic in the heart of the old town in Poreč. It's the best time. Yeah, let's walk this way. Then there's a church right in here. I'm walking toward it right now. In front of the Church of Our Lady of Angels. Nice color though. This one. The some part of the church is still has a construction right here. I think they are renovating some parts of the church. See, there's a, I think it's a bar or restaurant right here. I'll walk this way. You just can watch the sea from here, from the old town. It's so close. We walk down to this street to our next destination. See, today it's rainy and cobblestones are wet like this. Actually, it can be slippery, so I have to be careful. Now I'm walking in Decumano Street. This street is one of the popular streets here. Main Roman street of Poreč, and it starts from the east all the way to the west. There's another narrow street right here. This is typical Croatian old town street. They have a lot of plants outside the buildings. and cobblestones, a narrow street. Yeah, and they put some plants on the wall. Wow. I'm usually discovering an old town by walking. I think this is the best way to discover a town. Usually the old towns are not so big and you don't have a long way to walk, so it's easier to walk in old towns because the most important thing, there is no car, no traffic, no vehicles. Yeah, so it's really good to walk. Another beautiful narrow streets down here. Oh, look, I think there's a restaurant, but it's closed off season. Or it's not open yet, I don't know. Looks like a bar. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Operation Basilica, one of the most important landmarks in Poreč. Built in the 6th century, it's renovated. Well, it looks like it's closed today. Imagine, oh, look at this, from old towns. Look at that columns, all history. I remember these columns from Byzantine time and Venetian times. Oh yeah, looks very nice. It's also a church. Okay, let's walk back to the old town, to our next destination. I really enjoy to walk in such places. I feel like I live in the history. Yeah, I'm back to Old Town Street. I keep on walking. In low season, nobody in the streets, but I'm sure in the peak season in summer there will be a lot of people because this is a touristic destination. Now I'm walking to Palazzo Zuccato. So close here. You know, all the distances are very close. 90 meters, 100 meters, that's all. It's not very big old town. Palazzo Zuccato. Oh, sound of music comes from somewhere. Yeah, there's some Christmas lighting. Christmas decoration right here. And there. That's where it comes from. Oh, look. Yeah, they are getting ready. Oh, whoa, they are playing ice hockey. Beautiful decoration here. Pine trees, Christmas. Oh yeah, there's a train. Here we are in front of the decorations for Christmas. Oh, here's a train. That's a Mason River. I think they're getting ready for the Christmas party. Oh yeah. Look at this one. Yeah, let's keep on walking to the next destination. Romantic house. Yeah, now I'm walking in TRG Marator. This is one of the beautiful streets in Poreč Old Town. Pizzeria Napoli. Looks like Venetian style. Looks nice. I'm walking toward the square. This is Marafor Square, a historical square once occupied by the Roman Forum. There are a lot of historical buildings in Marathon Square. This is a very quiet but beautiful road in Old Town. You see they are getting ready for the Christmas. There are some nice decorations out there. Thank you very much guys for watching my video in Poreč. I appreciate for your support. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.